Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or restart your iPhones without using the power button whatsoever. So if you guys are stuck in like a boot loop or something's not working properly and you need to restart your phone and it's not letting you, which I've actually had happen once, this will help you with that problem. So be sure to stay tuned and follow along with what I do. Now, all you have to do is go over to your settings and you want to go over to accessibility. So just find accessibility in your settings, click on that. And then you want to go under where it says physical and motor and click on touch. Once you click on touch, you just want to go to the top here where it says assistive touch, click on that and turn it on. Once you have that turned on, you could exit out. All you have to do is go to your home screen, click on that little dot that appeared. Then you're going to see a couple different options. Now, some of you will see restart right away right here like I do. If you do not see it right there, just click on device and then click on more. And then you should see restart right here for you. So yeah, all you have to do is click on that, and that will restart your phone without having to touch the power button at all. And as you guys see in here, assistive touch does many other things than just that. You can lock your screen as well, or totally restart your phone, totally up to you. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to restart your phones without using the power button. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.